Welcome back. This will be the second post. Had a whole bunch of stuff last week and the week before, which basically is meant to get the workshop ready to build something. So let's take a look. Here's going good. This guy right up here, got warm air coming out. We had kind of a big mess over here. Now we have a smaller mess. Again, this is a workshop going out of my home, so these are kind of projects that need to get done and disposed and some upgrades for the workshop, but I'm gonna put that on hold while we do make some furniture. Workbench is cleared off. We sold a sander to make room for all the other things we need, had a little redundancy. Now we are good here. Scooched all of our hand tools over a little bit and added a shelf and found a home for our little chainsaw. Got a couple big chainsaws in the back that need work, but it's for another day. Nice new saw stop is ready to go. Moved the router over. Moved our jointer over here. Might have to scoot it out of the way to make room. And this whole part of the shop, which was a complete disaster, is now got a nice clean path. Everything looks like it's ready to go. We also moved the drill press over here. Got rid of a table. Gonna throw some, not sure what we're gonna use this file cabinet for. Currently has rags in one part and sandpaper in another, which is a little over, a little more than we need for those two things. So that's it. Also added found some other tools lying around that we got organized, or calipers and angle guide. Well, I'm not sure what you can call those guys up there. That's it for now. Excited to get started next week. Building some furniture. We're going to be going to Crosscut Hardwoods here in Portland, Oregon, and pick up all we need. See you then. So Thursday, taking a break from the workshop to come pick up the most important thing in the world, my little buddies.